Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. We are here with the latest news updates regarding CBSE Class 10th board results. So before we start with the latest news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our Instagram page for motivation and tips and tricks regarding the NEET and JEE exams. The link of the Instagram page has been provided in the description section below. So let's come to the latest news. So there is no surprise this time. Unlike the CBSE Class 12th results, which were declared on July 13th, which took everyone by surprise because nobody was expecting the result at that time, it is not the case with CBSE Class 10th results. For this, 18 lakh students are waiting for their CBSE Class 10th results. And on Tuesday afternoon, the HRD minister took on Twitter to announce the dates. So let's see what the HRD minister. The Union HRD Minister, that is Ramesh Pokhriyal ji, announced this on Twitter that the results for Class 10 CBSE boards will be announced today, that is 15 July, and he also wished all the best to all the students. So, the long-awaited CBSE Class 10th results will be announced by CBSE in a few hours, even though the HRD minister had tweeted about the date, but no mention of the exact time of declaration of the result was mentioned. It is anticipated that the results will be declared somewhere around 11 a.m. today. The CBSE Class 12th results were declared at 12:30 p.m. But it's still anticipated that the Class 10th results will be declared a bit earlier, that is on 11 a.m. So don't forget to check your marks on the official website of Central Board of Secondary Education. The link of CBSE official website has been provided in the description section below. So all the best guys. I hope each one of you scores extremely good marks. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe right now and please like and share this video with all your friends, juniors, seniors who are waiting for their results. And guys, please follow us on our Instagram page as well for more motivational quotes and tips and tricks regarding NEET and JEE. All the best. Thank you.